trading sessions and look at the gains this year. Nisha Purushothaman, who is the Vice Chairman of Empee Distilleries, joins us now to talk about the way forward for the company. Nisha, hi, good morning. Before I ask you about the, the growth for the company, just wanted to know what is the situation in Chennai? What kind of production losses have you seen because of the calamity over there?
Good morning. We haven't seen any losses because our plants have not really been affected.
Okay.
So we have not had any losses because of the floods in Chennai.
But weren't there power disruptions throughout, all over the city? In spite of it, you all weren't impacted?
Yes, but it was very minor, and we can always make up our production, in the later days. So it's not had that much of an impact. Yes, it has been an inconvenience, but it's not had that much of an impact for us here in Chennai.
Okay, Nisha, then let's turn to business as usual. What is the kind of revenue outlook you have for the current quarter and the next?
See, we expect the same growth rate to continue in the next quarter, leading to the end of the financial year as well. And for us, this has been possible because of we've now focused on our strategy has been to focus on increased premiumization. We've always been a premium player in this market, and in the past 2 years, we've introduced about 5 new brands in the premium segment, and these brands have done exceedingly well. And so we expect this trend to continue going forward in the next quarters as well.
I'm a little puzzled by the data I have. Your first half revenues went up by 66%, but your second quarter revenues went up by, didn't go up at all, they were flat.
See, I think one of the reasons for that was because we had a price increase here in Tamil Nadu. The government, after a very long period of nearly 7 years, we got a price increase, and that the impact of the price increase is what is evident there. And then after that, we've kept up, managed to keep the sales constant. So so as I said, our outlook for the next few quarters would be that our sales would be at the same, would follow the same levels as what we've done so far.
Because of the premiumization, and a whole host of other factors that you alluded to, the margins have grown quite a bit if you compare the first half of this year versus same time last year. So now you're sitting at almost 9% margins. Do you think you can get to double-digit margins by the end of FY16?
No, the margin percentages will roughly be around, it will have a slight growth over and above the 8.5% we currently have, but it will not grow substantially more than this.
Okay, if it, this looks like a long shot now. I don't even feel like asking this question, but if it were to be out of state taxes and into GST, would it be a very big gain?
Sorry?
If alcohol was not a state taxed item but in the GST, would life be very different for you in terms of the P&L?
I think that's something which is really far out, so I cannot comment anything on that.
Okay. Well, you have launched some new brands as well, like Carte Royale, Brandy, and a couple of others too. Are these premium brands, and what kind of volume or revenue growth would you be looking at from these brands?
See, these are all, as I mentioned, we introduced 5 new brands. The most prominent among them is Chevalier de Paris, which is a premium brandy, French grade brandy, which we introduced. We have Carte Royale, again a brandy. We've also introduced a range of vodkas called Blue Crystal Vodka. So with all this, currently we are sitting at about 15% of our volumes are in the form of premium brands. And we are looking at increasing this and taking it up to nearly 20%. And with that, definitely the margins will also improve.
All right, Nisha, we leave it at that. Thank you very much for joining us with your thoughts.
Thank you.